Hey dolls, welcome back to Becky's Doll Space, and I have another unboxing for you guys today. We're going to unbox and review this doll. This is the Barbie wellness doll, and she comes with like a tennis racket, some boxing gloves, some weights, and a cute adorable puppy, also some skates. So she comes with a lot of activities to do and play with and have some fun with. So we're going to go ahead and unbox her. So let's get started. Okay, so what I want to start with is the box. Okay, she comes in this colorful Barbie box, you know, the Barbie core, pink and everything. It's a cute picture on the back of her and all of her accessories that she comes with. Like I said, she comes with her skates. It looks like a gym bag, water bottle, some boxing gloves, this cute puppy, and these weights. And she has a braid in her hair, and she is tan because she's been out in the sun, probably California, Florida sun, wherever, down in the islands. She's out there where it's nice and warm, or even a warm summer day in the north, getting her activities and wellness in. All right, so let's go ahead and start to unbox her. So I just cracked open the top side and I'm able to pull off the clear plastic, and now she is just inside of the cardboard. So I'm gonna get a pair of scissors here and just snip her out of the box. Be careful when you're taking her out of the box, because you don't want to cut her hair or anything. There is a T-tag that her head is attached to that I'm just going to take snips here. There's 2 T-tags like normal. She has this little rubber band. All right, so she was fairly easy to take out of the box. Okay, so her leash is attached to this T-tag. I was able to snip that off. Okay, love her. I love this little outfit that she comes in as well. This is nice. It does look like it's 2 pieces. It is 2 pieces. And this dog leash around her waist. She comes with these sneakers. Oh, that one fell off pretty easy. She comes with flat feet. So she's not a made to move, but she does have some good articulation. She has articulation in the elbow, the wrist, her head. She goes back and forth on her waist. Let's see, her legs up and down. It's not like really in and out, but there's some articulation in the thighs, the knees. So she has good articulation, just not a made to move. And she is, you know, a wellness fitness doll, so it makes sense for her to have some good articulation. She does, I like her face. I don't know what face sculpt she is, but she has a beautiful face, and her makeup is done well because, you know, she's out for a day of workout. So she has a little blush on. It looks like she may have a little lip gloss on, and that's about it. Little eyeliner, mascara, you know, she's looking good on her workout day. Eyebrows done nicely. So she does look a little pixelated, but I mean, it's really not bad. She actually has a really good face up. I don't see really any problems with it. So I like her. She's really pretty. She looks like she would be a lot of fun. Let's go ahead and start taking out some of the accessories she comes with. So it's like I said, she has some activities that we can play with. Let's go ahead and get this cute puppy out. Well, let's go ahead and take out the whole thing because it's all attached. which is nice, so you won't lose it. And this is coming off a little difficult, so I'm just gonna cut it. There we go. So we got all of these accessories out at once, and we're gonna start popping these suckers out of this plastic. How easy or difficult can this be? All right, we got the puppy. We got the puppy, let's check him out. And he comes with this little, so it's open in the back so you can take it off easy. It's like a collar. And the nice thing is it attaches to her waist lead for the puppy so she doesn't lose them. And she can still have hands free. Trying to get this together. Okay. There he is. It doesn't look like it goes all the way down for him. Okay, I think the lead could be a little bit longer so that he actually, like, you know, well, it looks like he's like walking, so maybe that's the reason why they have it like that, because look at him. He looks like he's actually trying to walk, like not sitting. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take out the skates next and try on the skates on her. I'm gonna take the puppy off the lead because this is a precarious situation, it looks like. Let me put that back. There. Precarious situation the poor puppy is in. So let's take off the sneakers, her pink sneakers. Love the skates, love the pink skates. It's like she's going to a day out at the park. And just gonna have some fun. Meet up with some friends, or even just her and her puppy. Nice. Okay, so we have, next I'm gonna take out whatever I can, actually. These weights. Trying to pop these things out is challenging. All right, so popping some of them out, it can be a little challenging. I just turned it around and I'm just gonna pull them out. This one. And she has these boxing gloves that can fit on her. Okay, so you just slip them on her. Make sure like you got all of her fingers inside. There's a slit on the side of the glove to make putting this glove on her a little bit more easier, so it's not so challenging. And it still is. Just slip her hand in there and it fits. So she's ready to go work out. I like her with the boxing gloves. Nice. And you just pull them off. Okay, and so she has some of these dumbbells here, these little weights. So it looks like she's working out. She has a cute gym bag. And let's see if we could put the water bottle in the gym bag. Yes, we can. So she's ready for her day of wellness and fitness and working out. So much fun. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this doll, you like the accessories that she comes with. I love all of the colorful accessories, fun play, fun pretend play. And let me know if you want to get this doll. Just comment down in this comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys next time. Okay, so I got most of them out, and last thing is the tennis racket. So there is a little ball tennis racket. There's a little spot that you can peg the ball in, so it looks like you're hitting it with the racket. Bam, it got it. She got it. Let's see, can she hold the racket? I'm sure she can, but we are going to see, you know, because sometimes the way that their fingers are placed makes it difficult to hold things. But she got it. Nice. She's got it roller skating and playing tennis all at once, right? She's multifaceted. So she's got her blue boxing gloves here.